Good day everyone. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to create a secret passage. So before I begin, I just want to say thank you for allowing us to reach 200 subs. We're so happy. There's no word that can actually describe our happiness. So I hope we earn more subs later along the line, and thank you. So first of all, let's open a GDevelop. Now there's where our secret passage is based on, but you actually know. Let me run that. Okay, that's ready. Now here, passage is based in this place, but you actually know, unless you're like lucky enough. Now we just walked over in, and you actually know there's something there. Now when we follow here, is the door to the secret passage. Now here, uh, it's actually supposed to like disappear. Okay, now that's the secret passage. So we just like follow here and here. It's nice. You can actually fall in. That means you have to find the door in before you can actually access it. So I'll just open my GDevelop. Here's the file, the scene I want to use. It's actually this same scene, but without all of this, because I wanted to actually get all the details. So first of all, I'm using grid because everything placed in this scene is placed on grid or with grid. So show grid, now you can see it all matches the grid. Here's a set of grid. Here's a cell width. I love using 7070 Y offset 13. This is what I use for all my scenes or games I make, right? So now first of all, you need to create a passage for a character to actually pass through, like to be able to access this. So to do that, we have to add an object. Click to add an object. Sprite. Let's name that pass. I can actually name it passage because I already have like a global object here named passage, so it won't allow that. Add an animation. Click on that. I want to pick something that actually looks like the tiles that are placed there. Okay, here it is. Yeah, grass center. Now apply. Now, okay, before you apply that, you don't need to add any behaviors because we need our character to be able to pass through. If you add a platform, our character will be able to pass through, and that would actually not be be the way we want. So we have to just like not add this. So pass. Oh, sorry. Close. Properties. Now apply. So now let's pull our pass into the scene. And just locate it. It should be, yeah, here it is. Now let's pull that into the scene. You pull this into all the places where your character to be able to pass. Here, here. Before I place it, I need to put a ladder so that my character can actually like move, because the character can't fly, so it needs a ladder. So I'll just fill the ladder there, and then I'll continue filling in my pass. Yeah, okay. Just keep going. So there's actually a reason why I used sprites, because a lot of people actually love using sorry, create an object tiled sprites. That way you can actually pull it and stretch it. But if we use tiled sprites, we won't be able to like it won't work the way we want. And using sprites, you have to like pull it in one after the other. It might be stressful, but it's really good. Now we don't feel you don't need to pull, or you would don't put pass up here, because else if you put it here, our character just walks in, our character will fall right through it. So we need to set something here. So scroll down, add an object, sprite. Let's name that jump. Now add an animation. We still need the land center, vows. Where's it? Grass center, sorry. Right now, behaviors. We need to actually add behavior for this one. And platform. Another platform type. We need to set jump through. Therefore, a character can move through like the under, but can't fall in. So apply that. Where is it? Jump. Yeah. Now let's put that into the scene. So now a character should be able to like walk on it without falling. Now let's and be able to come out through the under. That's the bottom of it. So now for this to actually work, we want it to be in a way whereby a character is in collision with this. The opacity of pass is being reduced. So state 2 events, add a new empty event, add condition collision. So my character's name is Adam as usual. Adam is in collision with pass, okay. Then opacity, change sprite opacity. Okay, I think this was added recently. Changed out sprite opacity. In the previous versions of GDevelop, this wasn't there. I think this was added recently, so I didn't actually know about that. But so that means you can actually now use sprite, tiled sprites. I didn't know about that. So add condition opacity, change sprite opacity of pass. I think that was recently added, because set to value 100. So now when Adam is in collision with pass, it reduces the opacity of pass to 100. So that's all we need to do. It's a really simple tutorial. I'll just run that. Okay. I just climb back. Sorry. Oh, it's a bit bad. Something's not right. Sorry about it. Okay. Now, character just walked across this. Nothing happened. That's nice. Now we follow the bottom. Okay. Now when it's in collision with this, it reduces the opacity. If you don't like 100 as the opacity, you can actually like raise it a bit higher. The highest like 225. Oh, this is not right. Our character is supposed to be on the ladder. That's because of the Z order. The Z order of the ladder is higher, greater than the Z order of our player C. So player just walked through that, and that's nice. So about the ladder, yeah, it's a player. Okay, here's our player. Now player's Z order is set to 109, and our ladder Z order is set to 348. So in order for the player to actually be on the ladder, let's reduce that to like 108. Now a player should like move on the ladder. So that's like how it's done. Okay, I just run this for the last time. Yeah, I also want to use this as like a means to like tell you to like upgrade your GDevelop, because recent new upgrades are being like made like almost every day, or not every day actually, but they're really nice because they allow different features. Sorry. Now here, our character is on the ladder, so our character can actually like move on the ladder. So that's how it's done, and thank